As of a week ago, over 5,000 Kenyans had succumbed to COVID-19. We mourn these Kenyans, together with the over 4.7 million lives that have been lost around the world. The pandemic's devastating impact on global travel, tourism, our supply chains, investment, has caused the deepest economic recession in nearly a century. The surest way to build that confidence is by making vaccines available to the world in an equitable and accessible manner. And that, sadly, does not happen to be the case today. We must put equitable global vaccine access at the core of building back better from this COVID-19 pandemic.